Welcome to the demo from Canaries Automation. In this video, we would like to walk you through the demo for SAP Intelligent RPA 2.0 bot.
Hello, in this video we will see integration of SAP Conversational AI with SAP Intelligent RPA. The conversational AI takes the order ID of PDF invoice and sends the order ID to SAP Intelligent RPA bot, where the bot goes through the folder of PDF, searching for order ID and returning grand total for the order ID. We can see the overview of integration. This is the conversational AI chatbot. In the intent section, I have created new intent called grand total. In this grand total, I have set of statements for requesting the grand total. In the statements, I have given order ID as intent. I have created an entity called order ID, which is of regular expression type, in which these grand total entities are defined and the order ID is recognized in the statement. And in the build tab, I have created a new skill called grand total. So in the grand total, I have included the triggers for intent grand total and entity order ID. And I have saved the order ID entity as order ID in the memory. And for that order ID, I am displaying a message for getting your total for the given order ID from the user, and I am connecting to API services for SAP Intelligent RPA with API trigger and credential OAuth authentication, and resetting all the memory after the API service is called. Now I will show you the SAP Intelligent RPA PDF extraction. So this PDF extraction process expects input of order ID and it gives out grand total as output. So here the process will start from getting file collection and reading all the PDFs and searching for the order ID, and in the end it will give out the grand total if the order ID matches the given input from the user. So in the environment, I have released the SAP Intelligent RPA bot with API trigger. So for this API trigger, I have given two notifiers for conversational AI. Once when the SAP Intelligent RPA process starts, and once when it is completed successfully. When the process starts, it will give a message saying that RPA bot is searching for your order ID. And when the process is completed successfully, it will give out a message of grand total and also a message saying that again use service, please provide order ID. So now we can see the demo for this. This is the chatbot. Here I will type something. So the bot asks that would you like to get total for a order ID. So if I click on yes, it will ask to provide me the order ID. So I have an order ID here in this PDF document. I will copy that. And I will give it to the bot. So it says that getting your total for the order ID given, and it initializes the process of intelligent RPA bot. And then when it is started, the message is displayed saying that intelligent RPA bot is searching for your order ID, and we can see the grand total for this. We can verify this in the document. So here is the grand total. Let's try for another order ID in the invoice. We can see the grand total for the order ID. Now let's check it in the PDF. So we can see that the order grand total is same. So by this method, we can integrate SAP Intelligent RPA with the conversational AI using API triggers and get the required output. So if I give the order ID which does not contain in the PDF document, it gives a message saying that order ID could not be found, and to again use the service, please provide another order ID. So this is how we can integrate the conversational AI chatbot with the SAP Intelligent RPA by simple API triggers and CI notifiers. Thank you.
For more informative videos, do subscribe to our Canaries YouTube channel and visit SAP Intelligent RPA section on our website.